to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long, I'm running out of time. I need a doctor, call me a doctor. I need a doctor, to bring me back to life.
I told the world one day I would pay it back. Say it on tape and let it record it so that one day I can play it back. But I don't even know if I believe it when I'm saying that. I'm starting to creep and every day it's just so gray and black. Oh, I just need a red act, cause no one sees my vision when I play it for them. They just say it's whack, but they don't know what dope is. And I don't know if I was awake or asleep when I wrote this. All I know is you came to me when I was at my lowest.
To lose my mind. You've been gone for so long, I'm running out of time. I need a doctor, call me
You walked in, yellow jumpsuit, whole room cracked jokes. Once you got inside the booth, told you might smoke with the friends. Some of them I put on, but they just left. They said they was riding to the death, but with 𝐏𝐿 now that I need them, I don't see none of them. All I see is slip. Are you fair weather friends? All I need is him. Backstabbers when the chips were down, you just laughed at us. Now you about to feel the wrath of aftermath.
to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long, I'm running out of time. I need a doctor, call me a doctor. I need a doctor, to
You pick me up, breathe new life in me. I owe my life to you. Before the life of me, I don't see why you don't see like I do. But it just dawned on me, you lost the sun. Demons fighting you, it's dark. Let me turn on the lights and brighten me and enlighten you. I don't think you realize what you mean to me, not the slightest clue. Cause me and you were like a crew. I was like your sidekick, you gon' either wanna fight when I get off this mic, or you gon' hug me. But I'm out of options, there's nothing else I can do.